All right, so this is probably going to be my last video on the channel here for a couple of weeks. Going away to Greece here very soon for 11 days total by the time we get back. And I wanted to get something for the trip. We're going to be doing a lot of hiking, a lot of outdoor activities, and I wanted something affordable, worry-free, and Casio always fits that bill. Not that I needed another one because I have so many that do fit that bill, but they keep coming out with these new releases. The watch I have in today from Amazon came out, I think 2-3 months ago. Kind of reminded me of the Casio Royale, and I thought it looked really cool and wanted to pick one up for the trip. So let's get to it and check out the watch. Okay, so I am filming this actually. You can see it's a Prime, Amazon Prime purchase here, but I'm filming this late June, and by the time you're seeing this, I think the Prime days are going to be coming up around the 10th or 11th of July. You'll probably see this just before that, but I'll leave a link to Amazon where you can find the watch, and hopefully maybe you can get a bit of a deal during those Prime days. I don't know why, but it's always nice to see the good old white and blue Casio box. And here is the unveiling of the watch. Yeah. Very cool. Again, very much a similar look as the Casio Royale. Should give you the model number because I'm not sure of it off the top of my head. WS1600H-1A. And let's do the plastic peel here. Yes. Really liking this. One of the reasons that this kind of caught my eye, it actually just got this Casio. I was talking about buying a lot of Casios lately, and actually for a number of years now, but it has this display where it shows the seconds in that top bar, and then every 10-second fills up those triangular markers for a minute, then it resets. And I think this kind of has the same thing going on. Maybe that only works. Oh yeah, there it goes on the top left. Zoom in a little bit. So what do we got here as far as functions? We have a stopwatch, timer. Is that the alarm? And back to our regular time. Sorry about that. Got out of frame there for a second. Yeah, these are just a lot of fun. I think full retail is $29.99, somewhere in around there. And I paid, I think, pretty close to full retail. I'd have to double check. Very cool watch, though, for only $30. Got a 100 meter water resistance. And I'm going to be putting this through the paces. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. We've got our typical Casio resin plasticky strap. It's actually still quite comfortable, especially with how lightweight the watch is. After looking closer at the watch, I feel like this case is almost identical, if not identical, to the Casio Royale. My last two that I've had a number of them ended up going to my twin nephews, and they're actually coming here this weekend. So if one of them wears one, I'll try to get some measurements and see how close they actually are. But yeah, really cool watch from Casio. Very happy with it. So if you are on Instagram, I'll be posting shots from the trip while we're away at TimeToGo 1978. I might also post a couple of shorts here on the channel. We will see. So that is it. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.